Stop acting stupid. I think the girls and I are going to go to Wildfire. Which is pretty much around the same place. It's the same thing. So the vibes are sort of glam. I think I'm gonna do like a bronzy, maybe cut crease type situation. So I gotta mix. I have to mix some foundations too because baby. So I'm gonna start off with my LUVS oil control mist. I'm just gonna spray this. And then I actually like to kind of rub it in. My brows, I normally use the Benefit brow pencil, but because I don't have it, I think I'm out of it, I have to use the trusty dusty. So don't cry. And when I'm doing my brows, I like to get real close up on the brows so I can kind of see the lines that I'm creating. I know that I double use things, like I might use an eyeliner for lip liner, I might use a lip liner for fake freckles. It just, whatever, however I feel. This is a LA Colors lip liner pencil in the color Deepest Brown. So we changed our mind about STK, only because I don't know. We was just talking and at the last minute we was like, well, we should do Wildfire. Even though I would have liked to have gone somewhere I never been before, Wildfire is familiar to me. If y'all remember, I ate there on my anniversary. So I know what that's all about, Wildfire. And when I say they chopped salad, baby, is amazing. I didn't know fucking salad could be that good. They chopped salad is crazy. But I could just eat. I could very well stop there for a little lunch or something and just eat the chopped salad by itself, honestly. Because it hits every time. Works every time. Bend and snap. Y'all remember that? These are the fucking brush I'm looking for. Baby, where are you? Like literally the most important brush. So I'm gonna pull from this Julia's Place palette. And I think I'm gonna take from the color Kano. I will show y'all exactly what the color looks like. It's this one. But my palette is all like beat up bad. I didn't want this Get Ready With Me to be like a tutorial, cause like that's the last fucking thing we need is another damn makeup tutorial on YouTube, okay? So yeah, so we're gonna do Wildfire. And I feel strongly that they're gonna like their food. I don't think either one of them have been there before. But I like going places that I like going to places that I've been before and some people haven't been before, because I can make like recommendations that are legit. Some people, they make these recommendations and they don't be legit. You're lying. Cause I had this shit and it was nasty. And I'm gonna cut my crease because I want to put forth some effort today, baby. I'm just put some on my hands. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in 370. I haven't done a cut crease in so long. I'm a little heavy on the hand when I'm making my cut crease line. I know the lighting in here is not the best, but it's something. Okay, let me go get my light because I feel like this lighting is not the best. So let's get back to here. So I'm just gonna blend that out, and then I take my concealer, and that's how I actually cut the corners. Never gonna let you cry. I like this concealer because honestly it's thick. It's not like thin and runny, you know what I'm saying? Like you could tell that once you put it on top of your primer, it's gonna stick. So yeah, back to STK. So we was gonna do STK, but for whatever reason we just decided we was gonna go with Wildfire. So the chopped salad, like I said, is good there. What else is good at Wildfire? I had the salmon because I literally try fucking salmon at every place I go. The salmon was good. I'm reading in the reviews though something about the bison meatballs. I never had bison before, and so I'm wondering, like, is it giving like ground beef? Is it giving like frog legs? Is it giving calamari? Like, so yeah, I feel like I'm doing some different stuff, and I feel like I want to continue to do different things as far as my birthday is concerned in the future. But bison meatballs sure does sound like something that I would absolutely want to do, for sure. And it was a whole lot of reviews about it. I'm like, wait a minute. They said something about the martini flights too, and I'm not a vodka girl anymore. I used to be like, vodka was my shit, baby. Give me some Grey Goose, it's gonna go down. But I'm not really a vodka girl anymore. Y'all know me, I'm a whiskey girl now. I'm a whiskey girl now. So I gotta get my ears because that looks crazy. FYI, you guys, if you are fully made up and your ears are like a whole different color. Hey babe, how you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Get out of here. You can come on.
You got your camera?
I got my camera back.
Is it working perfectly?
It's working great. Oh, I need to contour. The Juvia's Place bronzed in tan, and I'm gonna go with this darker color down here. I always squeeze my cheeks and do it, so I know where to place it. Then my contouring, I'm going to, I think I'm gonna set my face, being honest. I don't know where anything is. I should go in with something a little bit lighter. I like my under eye fairly bright. I don't like it dark. And I'm just going in with this Fit Me Matte Poreless. Yeah, that's better. In 330. Then I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the color Honey. Sometimes this powder be giving me yellow. Oh my gosh, my hair came down. That's only if I apply super heavy. If I keep it light, it gives me what I need to have. Warrior. Oh, the Saharan blush palette. I feel like I want to pick from, I feel like I want to do this color here. Towel, I think is the name of it. And I'm just placing that right there. And then I'm going to highlight just barely. I'm gonna take from this because it's got some gold undertones, which is what I like. It kind of go on all gold, being honest. Like, boobies is hanging out. Y'all excuse me, they just uncontrollable. Like, the girls are just out of control. Okay, I'm gonna just dust this powder off. Blend that thing, baby. And I ain't gonna hold y'all, I really just been into my natural face lately. Not that my natural skin is all that good, but I just been really wanting to be like minimal makeup, minimal. I'm gonna go in with my pencil, and y'all know this is my favorite pencil. It's from Sephora in the color Molasses. Y'all know me, I love to overline. I'm an overline girl. I just feel like it just makes the lips more plump looking when it's overlined. But I'm not gonna put my gloss on yet, and it's the reason behind it. So I'm gonna start on my hair too. Alright, so hair wise, these little lashes is through, baby. I want to do a flip. I want my shit flipped. I did it like that one of the last days I was in, I was only in Wisconsin for 2 days, but I did it on one of the last days I was there, and it was perfect. So I'm gonna make like kind of like a deep side part, and I don't have a comb, so don't judge me about parting with my nail. Okay, nails do amazing things. Look at that. With my nail, baby. So I want to swoop, and I want it flipped. All right. And I'm taking extra special care not to put too much heat in my head, because I've been heating this motherfucker up, baby. Part out the edge. I want this turned down. Ah, damn. Hey. All right. Especially when it's all greasy like this. And when I flip, I don't turn it real hard till I get to the very end. These clips are so cute. Look at this. Focus. Ain't that cute? That is so cute. I bought it from Amazon. I thought I was gonna wear it on my birthday, but I ended up using a hair tie instead. The ghetto. So I'm going to flip its mites. Yeah. Girl, my hair gonna be so damn greasy. This is some greasy ass shit here. But you know what? At this point, I don't have a choice. I'm not about to rewash my hair. Not happening. Alright, so now I'm gonna swoop this part and bobby pin it. Okay. Girl, stop acting stupid. Because I want it to be like stiff Barbie doll. You know what I'm saying? Next order of business. Get dressed. This is the dress from Naked Wardrobe. It has like this cutout. Don't pay attention to my dress, y'all. It's a fucking mess. Please. It has this cutout detail here, and then the boob part. So I'm gonna see how we gonna do this here thing. So I'll be back. Okay. So hopefully you guys can see me. A little bit of boob tape is hanging out. I'll fix that when I get in the car. So this is the finished look. This is how it's looking. My hair is falling. It's gonna be okay. Okay, there we go. So dress is from Naked Wardrobe. Hopefully y'all can see it. Shoe is from Sheen, I think it is. Yeah, shoe is from Sheen. Jewelry is Pandora, except for this. This came with like my wrapper chain. This is Pandora. This is Pandora. My fragrance of the day is Tiffany. So I better get some good pictures today, because I'm looking too fine and I get no good pictures, baby. Okay? Period.